Well, hello everyone. It's Daniel with Website Candy, and today we're going to talk about a tool, an AI tool that can help you make better decisions within your lifestyle. So, what we're doing here today is we're going to talk about this website called Rationale. And within Rationale, it's an AI tool. And believe it or not, man, people make 35,000 different decisions every single day. And we spend about a good amount of time, a large amount of time making those decisions. I think the article mentioned something about 2 hours a day that we use to just debate on if we want to go left or right or up or down or what we decide we want to do. It also suggested this acronym SWOT, strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, is how we make decisions. I will link this article below, and you guys can come over and check it out if you desire. You want to. They gave some examples here of how the website works, but I took it amongst myself to go ahead and make a video for you guys to show you exactly how it works. One of the questions that I went over and asked it was, I said, should I go out and have fun this weekend or should I work all weekend? I mean, honestly, there's a lot of times we're working, we work all week, we need money, there's things that we practically, responsively, that we need to do. However, there's also things that we just truly want to do, as far as like go out and party and have fun and have a good time. Well, this website right here is breaking down the different pros and cons when it comes to helping with those decisions, and it's being driven by an AI. Some of the pros to wanting to go out and have fun versus work is enhanced creativity. Believe it or not, when you go out and party, your creativity juices start to flow. So it's not all bad that you're not working. It could be a positive, a social connection. You never know what type of person that you may meet. You never know what type of connection you may make in business. When you say to yourself, hey, I'd rather work all weekend to produce as much money as I possibly can versus go party. Relaxation and enjoyment is another pro. And I just kind of run through the cons with you real quick is opportunity cost, life balance, and a lack of progress. It can be a con there when it comes to the pros and cons. I asked it also another question of when I should ask you to subscribe and like this video. And the answer is right now. I'm asking you to subscribe, like the video, share the video with a friend. But once again, it kind of gave the pros and cons. You can see that yourself there. I asked it all kind of different little questions. I just ran through different scenarios to kind of see what type of answers I would get. And will I use this tool? I believe I will. I believe I will continuously use this tool to help make decisions on what I should do. To really break down what they're kind of giving me here is the pros and cons of the subject matter that I'm debating upon. One cool thing about it is I kind of like this ideal. Not a real big social person. I do tweet. I will add my Twitter here, and I do have a Facebook group that I'm trying to get started, and I will add my Facebook group right here. However, you can come over here and you can do all kind of different things. You can hit this right here, and it will download an image for you, basically, and I can take this image and I can put it online, and I can share, and I can get feedback when it comes to possibly helping with a decision that I'm trying to make. Well, as mentioned, as I did in the video previous to this, I told you that I would break down these different websites for you and, share them and talk about them. And I'm doing what I said I'm going to do. So if you haven't subscribed, if you haven't liked this video yet, here's your opportunity. And I look forward to connecting with you in the future. And if there's a AI tool out there that you know of that I don't know of yet, please leave it in the comments and recommend it, and I will take a look at it, and I possibly will do a review. All right. Well, I thank you guys for your time, and thanks for watching. Peace out now.